Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to solve the fingerprint lock issue on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on system management. From here, just tap on reset options and tap on reset all settings. Now just tap on reset all settings. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now just tap on reset all settings one more time. Now it will reset all the settings of your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to reset all the settings of your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished resetting all the settings. And once you have done that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on password and security. From here, just scroll down and tap on fingerprint. Now from here, just select the fingerprint combination you want to add. You can select between the fingerprint and the pattern, the fingerprint and the pin, or the fingerprint with the password. I will select fingerprint with a pattern. From here, just draw your pattern. Now from here, just tap on next and draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now from here, tap on done. Now just tap on start enrolling. Now from here, just tap on this icon to enroll your new fingerprint. Now once you have added your new fingerprint, just tap on done. Now from here, just check if it is working or not. Now as you can see, this is how you can solve the fingerprint lock issue on any Vivo phone. But if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.